Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can change your mouse color on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So the first thing you need to do, you can go to the Windows search and type the mouse settings and just open it. So once your mouse settings was open, here you will see the option of adjust mouse and cursor size. Just click on that and now here you can just select it to this colorful, which is the custom option on the fourth number, so you can just click on that. So now you can just choose the color you are seeing on the hair. So if you don't like this color, so how you can choose the other colors? So you can just click on this pick a custom pointer color you are seeing, and then here you can just select the color you want to apply onto your mouse. And now here you can just select the any color like the red, green, yellow and the brown. After that just click on the OK and your mouse is changed onto the specific color. And if I want to apply this color, I can just click on the OK. So in the video there is the mouse not changing, but you will see your mouse color is changed. So in this video the mouse pointer is also not changing. So in this video not changing, but you will see your in your PC it is changing. So guys, this is how you can change your pointer colors, mouse colors onto your PC. And guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, also do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.